Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to set products and services for Xero invoices in Clerk. We can connect Clerk Invoices app to Xero. This integration allows sending invoices with time reports to Xero. Let's see how we can set Xero products and services to invoice lines in the Clerk Invoices app. To do this, we need to put the Xero service code in square brackets at the beginning of each line description. This code should be exactly the same as it's written in Xero. In Xero we have two services, design and development. Let's use them in the invoice. So let's put design service for the first line and development service for the second line. And now we can save the invoice. Since automatic synchronization is enabled, this update is already sent to Xero. And now let's check the invoice in Xero. So as we see, the services are applied correctly, and square brackets are removed from line descriptions. Let's see how we can do the same thing with the invoice templates in Clerk. This invoice template has one time-based line, and this line will produce multiple invoice lines when we will generate the invoice from this template. And each role will take a separate line in the final invoice. And before we proceed, we need to make one simple setup. Let's go to Clerk Settings and open List of Roles. Each role has a role description field, and we can use this field to store Xero service code. And in our invoice template, we're using item role description template variable to put the Xero service code in the final invoice. Now let's generate the invoice from this template and see how it works. Let's open the invoice generator. Check the invoice template that we have just created and click Generate. That's it. And we have this invoice. We have 4 lines in the final invoice. Each team role takes a separate line, and the app has put a role description in square brackets for each line. Now let's open the Xero invoice and see how it looks. These 3 lines has the right service set and square brackets are removed. And this line was ignored because we don't have QA service code in our Xero. You can watch more videos about Xero integration features in our Help Center. Thanks for watching this video, let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.